Hello and welcome to E-Prime. I'm Deidre. Thanks for watching. Lead singer of the Jolly Boys mentor band Albert Minot is dead. The singer passed away peacefully sitting on the veranda of his Port Antonio home. Minot suffered from respiratory problems for some time, but remained active musically, having just completed a new Jolly Boys album and was ready to launch the single Deo, its signature song. Minot's legacy will live on within the story of this 70-year-old group, one of the longest existing bands in the world. E-Prime extends our deepest condolences to the family and friends of Albert Minot.
They tried to make me go to rehab, but I said no, no, no. Yes, I've been black, but when I come back, you will know, no, no.
The world was introduced to the rhythmic sounds of reggae music with ska and rocksteady in the 1960s. The genre ruled the airwaves, introducing the Scatolites and many more. The music transitioned into roots rock and reggae, made popular worldwide by Robert Nesta Marley. Come tomorrow, July 1, International Reggae Day will be celebrated worldwide. This year, the International Reggae Day Kingston Festival and Street Dance on the Waterfront happens in downtown Kingston from 4 p.m. to 2 a.m. The event will showcase the creative Kingston Village and performances from Muta Baruka, Big Youth, U-Roy and a host of other top acts. Dancehall artist DeMarco has inked a new deal. The artist signed a 3-album deal with hip-hop artist and music executive Akon on his live label. DeMarco is now being managed by Intrigue Management, owned by Akon's wife, who has big plans for the dancehall artist, including worldwide promotions. DeMarco is known for the hit singles Falling Soldiers, True Friends and Puppy Tail, among others. Fans can look out for the new single titled Problem, which features Akon and Nigerian artist Runtown. In the E-Prime Spotlight this evening is Grammy Award-winning producer Troyton, who speaks on the success of his past projects and the recognition received so far.
We have done so much in the past, some great projects. I Know You Want Me, Mavado, that big remix with Neo, 7-Level, Dexter Dabbs, Big Deal, Christopher Martin, Love Me Girl, Mavado again, Idonia, Trigger Work, so much. Charlie Black and Marshall. It's been out a little while, but I can tell you now it's going to be featured on his album from Universal as well. So that's not a big one. I can safely said that. So we actually done the video for that one as well. We're also shooting the video for Mavado track, with Khaled. We're supposed to go in Miami to do that. And True Emotions, because that's the name of the project that the Mavado is taken from. And that's what I'm promoting now, with the likes of Bersa Man, yes, Mavado, Jacure, Taros Riley, Christopher Martin, Luton Fire, just to name a few. Alaine and Ikea, can't leave the ladies out. So it's a big people take Jamaica, what I say.
Troyton fuses different genres to create his unique sound, targeting a worldwide audience. And that's it for the weekend's edition of E-Prime. I'm Deidre. Have a nice weekend.